Look at what I have. Voila! This mango tree is flowering again. So this is a canopy, a carport canopy, and you can see that it's pretty handy. I can use it to dry my laundry, my sheets, and then I'm in the process of getting ready for the winter, preparing for the winter. So I'm gonna put those wheat cloth, cover it with wheat cloth. So this year's gonna be different. Last year I used those plastic little greenhouse. So this year I'm gonna try totally something else different, which is wheat cloth only and this carport. We'll see how, it's an experimentation. We'll see how that goes. But back to this mango tree. Look at all the flowers. It's pretty. It's pretty healthy tree. I think might be 10 years old. I don't remember exactly when I purchased it. Okay. So this other one, ooh, let's check this out. Let's check out the. This is supposed to be a Malika. Ooh, look at, I think it's ripening already, this one. Check this one out. For those of you who think that they're fake mangoes, nope. Northern California grown. Whoa, this one is a big one. Look at that, the color. I'm gonna pick it right now because I don't want it to be, picked by the squirrel or something else. So here you go. See? It's a real authentic, grown in Northern California mango. Need to find a spot where I can leave this. There's a lot of ants. The ant loves it. So that's a nice size. Look at the color. It smells good too. It's very good smells. And then it's also putting out flowers like crazy. See? There's some more that's gonna be flowering. So lots of flower. I don't know what's gonna happen over the winter, but last year, the fruit doesn't get it big over the winter at all. So here's some more flowers. See? So this is a Mahachanook. Lots of flowers. And this is also a Mahachanook. See, there is the fruit there. Mahachanook. And then the one I want to see is this one here. This is the Thai green mango called Key Savoie. Look at this one. But this one is huge because, let's see. This tree is about 10 years old too, a little over 10 years old, but it's pretty small. It hasn't grown that big at all. I mean, the trunk is pretty small too, but look at the size of this one. Beautiful mango. So, Northern California. Grown in Northern California. It's long. And you eat them green. Okay, so that's the mango. Two of them got split, so I'm gonna eat this. Two for myself, and the rest will go to some family members. Don't feed them too much. So I'm sharing this food with her. Look at that. You like it, huh? Wow. I'm surprised. She loves it. Dừng some more. Last piece. Okay. No. Almost done. Very sweet. Wow. Very surprised. So sweeter than the store-bought one. So I said range 99 yesterday or a few days ago, and I think they're selling for $4.50 a pound. So seems like I haven't been to range 99 for a long time, and the price has gone up so much. Everything, like vegetables, like it's so expensive too. The only thing that wasn't expensive was cabbage, 79 cents a pound. The rest is like over $2. All the Chinese veggies, and then string bean, so expensive too. Those long yard bean. So here, you're gonna lick it. No more. See this bean? 99 range was like $4 a pound. And these beans are so easy to grow. You know, just throw the seed in and water, that's it. So surprised that they're so expensive now, everything. Back to work after finishing the dragon fruits, and just got some new gadgets for the garden. So these are clips and these rubber hooks here. It's gonna basically be, this one's for the tree, propping up the tree, and the clips here is, so I got some red ones too. These are smaller ones, so they come in different size. So the clips are basically just for like this. So I use these bamboo sticks to prop up the tree because it was limpy. So now that I strap it up there, I'm gonna remove these bamboo sticks. So then it gives me more space at the bottom so that I can walk around it. Start removing it so there's space down here. Okay, so these are the bamboo sticks that I have just removed from underneath the mango tree that I used to prop up the tree. So this is what it looks like now. So much cleaner. There's more space below the tree. You see, I strapped it up like this. So now while I was strapping the tree up, there was a fruit in here, and what's really unusual is that this fruit coming from this tree does not look anything like, you know, the fruit, the other fruits from the tree, which is the malika right here. See how different these two fruits are? Is quite interesting. So this one is the Malika, but this one I don't know what happened here. So this looks a little bit like fruit punch, but I never pollinated fruit punch onto this tree, so it might have gone cross-pollinated by itself. And then this fruit was the one I picked yesterday from the tree, from this area. So I don't know if it's this, the same branch as this part here. I think this fruit I just noticed right now is a Malika, because I grafted I think it's a Malika that I grafted right there. And then the fruit, you see, it looks like a Malika fruit. You see, it looks like a Malika to me right there, versus this one. I mean a Khazar. That looks like a Khazar. That's a graft. It's hanging onto the Khazar graft. And this is a Malika. Right, totally different shape. Okay, so it has this little thing stick up, whereas this one is not. This is a little more, the Malika is more pronounced, but this one is not quite as pronounced. So let's see this. So I think these are Malika. That's definitely Malika. And this one is Khazar. And I have no idea what this is. It came from this tree. So it does not have the same smell as the Malika either. Now let me try it. It doesn't have a very strong smell. I mean, it's a little bit of smell, ripened smell, but let's see. It smells not that strong. Starting to smell now. I wonder if it's gonna taste like the Malika. It looks pretty much the same as Malika in terms of the color of the fruit. I'm starting to have get the strong smells now. Let's see. Okay. I think it's the same as the Malika. Really sweet. It's a very good fruit. Wow. Smells really good. Like a strong honey. Really extremely sweet. Firm flesh. No strings. Sorry about the noise from my neighbor. So didn't realize they were so loud while I was recording. Does not taste like the fruit punch at all, even though the shape looks like it. See, it's like completely fiberless. Extremely sweet. So it does taste like the other fruits, the Malika. So just the shape looks a bit different. But okay, and there's no seed. Seedless. I mean, the husk is there, but no seed. Wow, such a good fruit. So completely fiberless and no seeds inside.